Hey guys, in this video, we will see a review on the Acorn Mighty Oak debit card. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So as you can see, this is the Acorns Mighty Oak debit card. Now firstly, let us check out the rewards. So you can receive 3% APY on checking and 5% APY on emergency funds. Also, you can invest your spare change with real-time roundups, and the first 7 roundups are matched. Now let us take a look at its welcome bonus. So make your first successful recurring investment and get a $20 bonus within 10 days of the following month. Also, there is no overdraft fee or minimum balance. Next, let us take a look at its pros and cons. So high APYs on checking and savings account. The drawbacks include only being available as part of Acorns' $5 and above subscription tiers. Now let us see if the Mighty Oak debit card is right for you or not. So if you are already using Acorns for saving and investing, the Oak debit card is a good fit. Also, it allows you to waive your monthly subscription fee, which can save you $60 to $108 a year. However, the checking account 3% APY is good, but you can do better. Overall, this is a solid option for a debit card and bank account combination, if you will qualify for the fee waiver. But if you don't have to plan monthly direct deposits into your account, you'll be better off with a high interest fee-free account. So this was a detailed review of Acorns Mighty Oak debit card. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.